Hi, welcome to LOOk's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the all about luxury look from the Key to Luxury collection. Start this look with a good base makeup. Start with the LOOK Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer to make sure your makeup stays put all day long. Follow with your favourite LOOk's foundation and use the LOOk's foundation brush for more smooth application. Use LOOk's concealer to cover dark circles and blemishes. Blend the concealer with your fingertips or use the LOOk's foundation brush. Finish the base makeup with a powder like the LOOk's Natural Velvet Mineral Powder to set your foundation in place. Now we start with the eyes. Use the LOOk's eyeshadow number 121 Espresso Matte in the inner corner of the eyes. Use the LOOk's blender brush for a more blended result. Repeat this step on the outer corner of the eyes. In the next step, we're going to create a halo effect on the eyes to make them pop. Use the LOOk's loose eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Gold Brown and take your LOOk's eyeshadow brush. Apply a little amount of the Moon Shimmer on the centre of the eyelid with a dabbing motion. Take the LOOk's eyeshadow number 121 Espresso Matte again and apply the eyeshadow on the inner and outer corner of the lower lash line with the LOOk's blender brush. Apply a little bit of the LOOk's loose eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Gold Brown on the middle of the lower lash line. Apply the LOOk's Mascara Ultra Wear on the upper and lower lashes with a zigzagging motion. Use the LOOk's eyeshadow number 26 Jungle Gold Pearl as a highlighter on the brow bone and in the corner of the eyes for a more fresh popping look. Finish your eye look with the LOOk's exclusive eyeliner number 07 Deep Black Matte on the waterline. In the final steps, we go to the lips. Line your lips with the LOOk's Velvet Lip Liner number 17 Rich Ruby to accentuate the lip contour. The lip liner also ensures a long-lasting lipstick. Apply the LOOk's lipstick number 102 Coral Bouquet Matte on top of the lip liner. You can also use this lipstick on the apples of the cheeks as a blush. Finish the all about luxury look with the LOOk's Glam Girl highlighter for a more glowy look. Now don't forget to follow LOOk's on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.